In front of me is OPPO A17 and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS launcher on this OPPO. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in iOS launcher. Now, in order to continue, you need to choose this app from this developer and tap on Open. Now select while using and allow in the pop-ups. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and choose Home button. Then go into Settings right away. Now scroll all the way down, choose Apps over here and click on Default Apps. Finally, you can click on Home App section and tap on iOS Launcher in order to apply it. Then choose Got it, and as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my OPPO. If you wish to, you can always go into exactly the same settings and switch between your layouts by tapping on System Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!